Hello, Jamaicans.com. That's Xenia there with our Grace Coconut Water there, sexy man. We're just checking in with you because you'll see some advertising soon from Grace Foods on their Grace patties. Can I beg you get one of them patties? Where's the patty box? All right, yeah, so upside down. In case you have not yet seen them, this is the chicken patty. I think it's backwards now because I am doing this live from the phone and it is showing you the reverse version. But in case you have not seen it, Grace does have a new patty product out. It's not so new anymore. It's actually very popular already. Can you mute that please, David? Thank you. So yeah, so we're doing just behind the scenes right now. We've just finished shooting the patty commercial. So I think we got the job because I'm actually obsessed with their chicken patties. Like this was a prop, right? I don't think anybody bit this one, but this is like the closest to real Jamaican patties that I have had. I can't say that on their behalf, of course, because they're the, whatever. But the Grace chicken patty is my favorite chicken patty. If you have not had it yet, it comes in. Somebody lend me a mile and a beef out of the freezer, please. It actually comes in chicken, and I'm gonna walk over to where the rest of the crew was shooting. It actually comes in and beef, mild beef and spicy beef. In the ethnic store. So these are our cast. And I'm jumping all over the place. This is Alana and Xenia. And this is Joseph over here who was playing our son. So this is the mother, the daughter, the son. And Sexy Man, of course, was the daddy. I just work here. I'm the producer behind the scenes as usual. So hey, Sexy Man, sexy daddy. All right, so Sexy Man was the daddy. This is actually the daddy of Joseph. The birth daddy of Joseph who was playing the son. And okay, here we go. All right, looks like I'm back on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I have a poor connection, but yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys because you'll start seeing the promotion soon. I have my COVID thing. Everybody here should be clean, so I think we're good. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that be on the lookout for the Grace patties when you go to the supermarket. You can get at Publix or Walmart or I forget what the ones are called, Wegmans in the Northeast. You can get it in Atlanta, all along the East Coast. So again, the chicken patties are around. They look and taste very similar to the ones that you get in Jamaica. You're going to put them in the microwave and just warm them up a little bit before you put them in the oven for like 5-10 minutes. And these are absolutely delicious. I don't eat the beef, so I can't swear on the beef. The chicken is one of my favorite things to eat, and it's really quick to eat. Did everybody enjoy the shoot? I know everybody didn't eat the patties because some of our actors are actually vegetarian. But how did you enjoy the shoot at least?
Good.
You know, I had a good time at the shoot.
Good
All right.
vibes.
Good. All right, Sexy Man. Sexy Man tired. Sexy Man been working for a morning. You all right, Sexy Man?
I'm fabulous as always.
Joseph?
6 years old.
Great.
New teen heartthrob, Joseph. All right. Anyway, guys, thank you for checking in with me. Thank you for everybody who said hi, and please look out for those Grace patties. You'll see the ads coming soon. Look more.